Hey, what's up everybody? This is the VW guy, and today I'm going to show you how to reset the oil service reminder on a 2022 Volkswagen Atlas. Alright, so from this screen here, we want to select on the top till you get to driving data, and you can scroll with these buttons here on the steering wheel. So right here we're at driving data, and you want to get to range. So if it's not already on range like we are now, you can select these up and down buttons and select range. Once you're on range, you're going to long press this OK button for 10 seconds. When you release, you'll get this menu here. From this menu here, just go down and select Reset Oil Change Service. Press the OK button. And then Reset Inspection Service and press the OK button. And that's it. I hope you found this video helpful. If you found it helpful, please give me a like and subscribe for more videos like this.